BMW Motorrad Motorsport Corporate Communications reported reactions after completing winter tests at 3 different circuits in Portimao, Jerez and Valencia this week. The most awaited things is of course Toprak Razgatlioglu's reaction. We have not really been lucky over these past days. Also in Valencia, it started to rain a bit on Friday morning and the track was fully wet. But this track dries really fast and we could ride again in the afternoon. We made big improvements, especially on the last 3 outings, and I am really enjoying the BMW M1000RR. Especially with the engine brake and the electronics we made big improvements. With every lap I am still learning my bike, but now I know it, I know the grip and the reactions, and this makes me very happy. I am still learning because it is a completely different bike, but we did a very good job, especially on the final day. Thanks to all the guys because everyone really works hard to give me a good bike. I am still adapting to the bike and the guys in the team are learning my riding style, so it is teamwork. But we are not far off, we are coming. The feedback also has been better every day. I think that after Christmas in the new year we will come back even stronger because we consistently progress. Thanks a lot and Merry Christmas to everyone. Toprak's teammates Michael van der Mark also reacted. It has been really nice to get to Valencia. At the end, we got a day and a half in. On Thursday evening, it rained again, so Friday was a bit cut short. But it was really good for me to finally do laps. At the end, I was working with the test team and the test bike, which had a lot of new items on it for next year. It was nice to do some longer runs with that bike, and I think that the guys have enough data now to work over winter and to prepare everything for the end of January. And last but not least, BMW Motorrad Motorsport Director Mark Bongers summarized the winter test in general. After the Bonnevo Action BMW Racing Team tested, with Garrett Gerloff and Scott Redding immediately after the season finale in Jerez de la Frontera, we now have been able to start testing with Toprak Razgatlioglu, Michael van der Mark, and the Rocket BMW Motorrad WorldSBK team. Overall, it was great to welcome Toprak to the team. His initial impressions of the BMW M1000RR he conveyed to us have been very positive. He adapted well to the bike right away. However, the conditions were challenging, and we had no reference from the competition. Therefore, making an assessment is still difficult. The days in Portugal and Spain were demanding. The weather was not on our side. Initially we had some bad luck in Portimao and could only complete a few laps. The situation was no better in Jerez. Since it was crucial to gather test information, we spontaneously traveled to Valencia with Michael and Toprak to hit the track there together with our BMW Motorrad Motorsport test team. Michael also tested new components with the test team that will be available to the Rocket BMW Motorrad WorldSBK team and the Bonnevo Action BMW Racing team for the upcoming season.